Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we'll walk through the process of deleting your WhatsApp account. Whether you're switching to a new messaging platform or just taking a break, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your WhatsApp Messenger on your smartphone. Make sure you're using the account you want to delete. Next, navigate to the Settings option. On most smartphones, you can find it by tapping the three dots in the top right corner or by looking for a gear icon at the down right corner. Within the Settings menu, look for the Account option. It might be listed right on the main page or under a sub-menu. Once you're in the Accounts section, you should see an option labeled Delete My Account. Go ahead and tap on that. To ensure you're deleting the correct account, WhatsApp will ask you to enter your phone number associated with the account. Type it in. At the top, WhatsApp will display a warning about the consequences of deleting your account. Take a moment to read through it. If you're sure you want to proceed, tap Delete My Account. After confirming the account deletion, you have the option to provide feedback. This step is entirely optional, but if you have any insights or thoughts you'd like to share, feel free to do so. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your WhatsApp account. Keep in mind that this action is irreversible, so make sure it's what you really want to do. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Subscribe for more tech tips. Watch next, follow us on